Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Shrivastava and today I am discussing a very important SQL problem, how to achieve the organization level hierarchy. Okay, so now let's understand the data first. So let's say we have a table called employee in which we have columns like employee ID, name and manager ID. Okay, so manager ID is nothing but the employee ID. Okay, so if you see here on line number 1, employee ID 1 whose name is Ankit, his manager ID is 2. That means Rahul is his manager, correct? And Rahul's manager ID is 4. That means Amit. So Rahul is reporting to Amit and Amit is reporting to Paul, correct? So we want our output in this manner, that we should have end-to-end reportings, correct? So if you see employee ID 1, employee name is Ankit and he is reporting to Rahul and Rahul is reporting to Amit and Amit is reporting to Paul, correct? Now to achieve this I will be using here self join. Okay, I am very sure that there are different approaches as well to solve this problem. If you want to, if you have any other solution, any other way of solving this, please pause the video and you can type your answer in the comment box. Okay, now what we will do, we will go for a self join. So self join is basically joining the table with itself. Okay, so here in this case first we will have a employee table, then we will have a replica of employee table with different name alias. Okay, and what we will do, simply we will join it on manager ID of the employee table with the employee ID of my managers table, right? Again, for the next level, for achieving this part, we will be creating another replica of the employee table with different name alias, and we will be joining with the manager ID of this table with the employee ID of my VP, correct? So let's quickly jump on SQL and see how we can achieve this output with this data. Okay, so I have already inserted this uh, data in employee table. Okay, now I will quickly write the different columns we want in the output. Okay, so first I want employee ID, employee name and manager name. Okay, so employee ID, emp name, and we want manager name, right? So I will write the name of manager name column after I define the different table with different aliases. Okay, so here what I am doing, I am going to join it with employee table. I am going to join the employee table with employee table only with different name alias, right? So I will go for inner join first, emp table. Okay, and with name alias as m. Okay, and I will join it on e dot manager ID, correct? So in this table I am going to join it on the manager ID with the employee ID of this table, correct? So e dot mgr ID equals to m dot emp ID, correct? Now I need to specify the employee ID and employee name from which table we want, right? So employee ID we want it from the employee table, employee name also we want it from the employee table, and we want manager name from this table, correct? So what we will do, we will simply write m dot emp name as manager name, correct? Now we will execute it and see what is the problem we are getting with this inner join. Okay, so let's execute it. So here you can see we are getting only 4 rows, correct? And we are missing the 5th row, and the reason is that we do not have any manager ID associated with this record, correct? That's right. So what we will do, we will go for a left join here so that we don't miss any record, correct? So if you execute this, so see, we are getting the details of Paul as well, right? Now, based on the output, you can see Ankit, employee Ankit is reporting to Rahul. Rahul is reporting to Amit. So if you see the data, Ankit's manager ID is 2, which is Rahul's ID, and Rahul is reporting to Amit, right? So we have this data, correct data, right? Now, my next requirement is I want the next level as well. Okay. So Rahul is reporting to whom? Amit is reporting to whom, right? So what we will do, we will create another replica. Okay. So let me take it on the next line. So we will create another replica of this table with, let's make it VP. Okay. And what we will do, we will join this VP manager ID with manager's employee ID, correct? And we will simply provide the column name. What is the column name here? So it's a VP. So it's like VP column name. Okay. So what we can do, we have to write it as VP dot emp name as, let's make it VP. Okay. And now if we execute this, sorry, Rahul is reporting to Amit, right? Where did I do, where it was wrong? Sorry, it should be VP, it should be M dot manager ID and VP dot employee ID, right? Correct. Now we are getting manager, Ankit's manager is Rahul and Rahul's manager is Amit, right? Similarly, Amit manager is Paul. So we are getting this. Now our requirement is that we want again another column of CXO, right? So what we can do, we will simply copy it, right? And we will simply change it to say CXO. Okay. Now what we need to do here, in a similar fashion, we have to write it like VP dot manager ID equals to CXO dot employee ID, and in the column name we need to provide CXO dot emp name as, let's make it CXO. Okay. So let's execute this and see what is the output we are getting. Perfect, right? So here we are getting for employee ID 1, name is Ankit, and Ankit is reporting to Rahul, and Rahul is reporting to Amit, and Amit is reporting to Paul, correct? So in a similar way, we can achieve many use cases out of this. Okay. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.